All right, everyone. Thanks very much and welcome back to the second session of reported speech that we are conducting today. All right. So what I was telling you that most of the times the students find it very difficult to remember the tense change. Like what will it be changed into? Okay. Simple present changes into simple past changes into past perfect. All right. So these tense changes sometimes, now let me just know if I ask you that what will future simple change into? I mean, is there any name of the tense that you can tell me that if you want to change future tense into indirect speech, all right? So what do you think? What tense will you change it into? Do you have any answers for these? You don't have any answers, I guess, because how will you answer me that future tense will be changed into what? All right. So sometimes it is difficult. Modal verbs will be changed into what? So tense wise, it is sometimes very difficult for students, all right, to remember. So the best thing we have is to remember this chart, which you can see on my screen. And I was explaining you that whenever you see these, direct speech column is this one. Whenever you see is MR in the direct speech, okay, in the inverted commas, all right, in the reported speech inverted commas, then when you change it to indirect speech, it will be changed into was and were. If you see the present form, first form of the verb in the sentence, all right, which is written in the inverted commas in direct speech, while changing it to the reported speech, you will change it into verb second form, which is called past form of the verb. When you see have and has, so have and has will be changed into had. All right. Okay. I haven't written here had because had remains the same. If you have had in the direct speech, you will not change it into any other thing. It will remain the same. Okay. If we have second form or past form of the verb in direct speech, it will be changed into past perfect. And when we say past perfect, it means that had plus past participle form of the verb, which is third form of the verb. Okay. All right. Will changes into would, can changes into could, may changes into might, must changes into had to, and don't and doesn't changes into didn't, and didn't changes into had not, and plus third form of the verb. All right. Now I'm going to share my screen, and we are going to study. We are going to do some practice of changing direct speech into indirect speech. Why have I chosen this particular test for you? So that this is sort of this is for sake of learning. All right. So I would request all of you to please. I will ask you the questions, and you will have to write in the chat box, and you can also unmute yourself and answer me. Okay. So just okay. Can you please tell me if you can see my screen? If my screen is visible. I'm waiting for your response. Write in the chat box if my screen is visible to you. Or you can unmute yourself and just let me know.
Yeah, teacher, it is.
All right. Thank you so much, Junaid. Thank you, Tahira. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. All right. Thank you, Azra. All right. So my screen is visible. All right. Now I want your attention here. All right, everybody. This is something which is actually will check your understanding and will also give me an idea where I need to explain you more. All right. We are going to do this exercise. Change the direct speech into reported speech. Use she said at the beginning of each answer. It means that we have to suppose we have to assume this the reporting speech is the person who is speaking is she said at the beginning. We have to assume. All right, of each answer. Sidra, my screen is not visible to you. Can you please just log out and log in again in your Zoom because it might be low internet connectivity. If others can see my screen, then I think you should also see. Thank you. All right. Uh, and then it is the same day. All right. So the whole conversation is taking place on the same day. So you don't need to change the time expressions as well. All right. So this is a very simple test. All right. Let me do one for you. All right. I'm doing one for you. And then rest of the sentences, I will ask you and you will need to write it in the chat box. Okay. So he works in a bank. All right, let me explain you. It is already
Excuse me,
written there. Yes, please.
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं विजिबल हो रही,
Okay, just
जस्ट
wait.
डायरेक्ट स्पीच एंड रिकॉर्डेड स्पीच ही आ रही है वही.
Okay, let me share it again. No problem. Can you see now?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, all right, everyone. Now, if my screen is visible, you can see that this is a kind of a practice that we are going to do today of the topic that is under study. All right. So does this change the direct speech into indirect speech or reported speech? Use she said. So we have to assume that she said is she is the speaker. All right. At the beginning of each answer, it's the same day, so you don't need to change the time expressions as well. All right. Now, this is the first sentence. He works in a bank. All right. It is already written that we have to assume she said. All right. Let me write here. She said. Okay. She said. Okay. You know that we use that. We replace we omit inverted commas. हम inverted commas को remove कर देते हैं. We remove inverted commas and then we write that. Okay. So we have written here as per the rule that she said that. Okay. Now look at this. He. All right. The subject of reported speech is he. Can you tell me that what will he change into? Do we need to
She.
change the subject? Do we need to change the subject here? He is.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why do we need to change the subject here? He is what? First person, second person, or third person?
Ma'am, she said that he works in a bank. मतलब she वो लड़की बात कर रही है, इस वजह से ये she का she ही रहेगा.
All right. Now listen, observe. Thank you so much for your response. Everybody, let me again tell you. Let me again explain you that whenever we have I and we, first person in the reported speech. Achha, mute yourself, please. Those who have unmuted their mics. Okay. This is reported speech in the inverted commas. Okay. If I is written here, like I work in a bank, so this I will be replaced with she. All right. If I is written here, then we will replace it with she. Why? Because first person will be changed with the subject of reporting speech. And she said is reporting speech. Reporting ing. Reporting speech is sentence outside the inverted commas. Okay. And reported speech is sentence inside the inverted commas. Right. Now, number 2. The second rule is if you have a subject, second person like you work in a bank. All right. So it will be changed according to the object of reporting speech. Like she said to me. So this you will be changed, with I. Like me will become I, right? And whenever you have he, she, it, they, or any names, then they won't be changed. No change. Third person, singular or plural, whenever we have in the reported speech sentence, we don't change them. All right. So this he will not be changed. Okay. He will remain the same. That he. Now, if you have taken the screenshot of that chart, all right, which I shared with you in the in the previous slide, first form of the verb, present form of the verb changes into what? Present form of the verb changes into
Past.
Past form. Excellent. All right. So he worked is the first form, and the second form is worked. He said that. She said that he worked in a bank. All right. So simple present tense, present form of the word changes into past form of the word. Let us check. This is correct. Okay. Now, let's go to the next sentence. And again, we have the same speaker. She said. Okay. So you all have to keep in your mind that we have the same speaker. She said. We went out last night. We went out last night. Okay. So what do we need to write first? She said. Now, I want you to write the answer here. Can you please tell me that with what should we replace we? The subject of that, then we will write that. She said that Now it is the time to replace the pronoun. Pronoun is first person, we, all right? So what will we change into? We will be changed into?
Same,
We will be
same,
changed into?
same. We.
Okay, no, because look at this.
They.
She said, all right, if we consider we is
That
first person and she is third person, so if we look at this we and we want to replace it with she, all right, so according to the rule we should write here she, but actually we is the plural of first person. Okay, so we need to write here the plural of third person, and the
They.
plural of third person is
They.
they. Excellent. They, all right, went out. So again, now let's again go back to the chart that I showed you in the previous slide. Okay, went is the second form of the verb. So whenever we have went, all right, Rimsha Rahim has written, she said that they had gone out last night. Had gone out. All right, so whenever we have the second form of the verb, okay, we need to change this into past perfect. Means had plus past participle or third form of the verb. Had gone out last night. Okay, check. This is correct. Okay,
मैडम लास्ट नाइट है जो प्रीवियस नाइट में चेंज हो जाएगा ना.
it can be changed into previous night or it can remain last night because we are talking about past. Okay, right. For example, let me just okay, I will show you a movie clip later on. First, let us do this. Okay, now sentence number 3. Achha, by the way, we will try to do as many sentences as we can. We are only doing affirmative and negative today, and in the tomorrow session we will do questions, everybody. Okay, don't worry if you think that it is still not it's still you feel difficult, because we can have 2-3 more sessions on reported speech. Don't worry about it. Okay, just try to focus on understanding sentence by sentence. All right, now I am coming. I'm coming. All right. So the speaker is she said that. Okay. Now this I will be changed into. What will this I change into?
She was coming.
Very
She was
nice.
coming.
She was coming. Okay. Now let's just check. This is correct. I like it. Okay. Now number 4 sentence. All right. I was waiting for the bus when he arrived. Okay. So what should we write here? She said that. Again, I hai, so I will be changed into. Who is the speaker? First person.
She was waiting. She was waiting for the bus.
All right.
When she
Now,
arrived.
can you please tell me whenever we have was and SMR changes into was and were, right? But when we have was in the sentence, already in the direct speech, we have was. So what should we change into? What should we change this was into?
She said that she is waiting. She is waiting for the bus.
She is waiting. All right. Beta, dekhe, SMR, whenever we have SMR, it changes into was and were. But whenever we have was and were, it changes into. Okay. Now remember one more rule, that when if we have is MR, it changes into was and were in the direct speech. Okay. But if we already have was and were in the direct speech, we change this into had been. What do we change this into? Had been. All right. And after had been, we don't need to change the form of the verb. The form of the verb will remain the same. Waiting for the bus. When? All right. Okay. When he arrived. So he arrived will remain the same. We will not change.
She arrived.
All right. No. This he will not be changed. If here I was written I, then it could be she. All right. If when I arrived, so we could change this into she, because as per the rule. All right. But he as third person singular will not change, so he will remain the same. Now let's just check this. Oh, this is wrong. So what is right? Okay.
Ma'am,
Said that she had been waiting for the bus when he arrived. She had been waiting. So what's wrong?
ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am,
Yeah.
वेटिंग जो इंग लगा है ना वेटिंग के बाद वो बींग बींग होगा बीन नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये कंटिन्यूस है ना तो बी आई इंग बीन के बाद लगेगा बींग बीन नहीं होगा बींग होगा
अच्छा, you mean to say B
had
E I
been
N G
wait for
होगा?
the
You mean to say B E I N G होगा?
जी
All right.
being wait for the
Mhm. Let's see. No, B E I N G नहीं हो सकता.
oh,
We need to have had been.
had been waiting
All right.
for the
अच्छा,
bus
it has a reason. Okay, whoever said this, thank you so much for bringing it up, because it is very important that you understand the really tiny, you can say that very meticulous, points in the grammar. Remember one thing: after have, has, and had, we always need the past participle form of the verb, which is the third form of the verb, right? So after have, has, and had, this is had. According to the
yes
rule,
ma'am
we after had we need third form of the verb, which is which is been here. Acha, the first form is be. Acha, be की first form है be, second form है was and were, and what is the third form or the past participle form is been. B double E and been is the third form of be. All right, and then we are using here the present
yes.
present participle, which is waiting. So you see the balance of the tense, the balance of each and every form, that after had we need third form of the word, then we have the ing form, perfect continuous. All right, this is past perfect continuous tense. I hope it is clear.
Yes.
Okay, okay. And now, all right, I had never been there before. All right, this is like, the speaker is the same. She said, me right here. What is this contraction actually, right? What is this contraction telling you? What do you think? Like, I'd never been there before. All right, so this contraction with I and D is the short form of the contraction of which verb, which helping verb?
She.
She
All right.
had
No. After I, you can see this kind of apostrophe, then D. So this I, like we write I am like this, I,
she had
and
been
like this is I am. I am को हम लिखते हैं I sign of apostrophe then am. All right, contraction am. So this I and this contraction and D, this is the short form of what?
Had.
He had, exactly. Acha, why had? What tells you, and what is the hint that is telling you that it is had 100%? This bin, look at this bin, B double E and bin. This bin is actually telling you that it can't
I
be
had.
anything. Yes, that it can't be anything except had. All right. So he said that this I will be changes into, this I will change into she. All right, that
She.
acha, I told you that had will not
She.
change. Yeah, had will remain the same. So never she had never been there,
She
never been there before, and check, this is correct. Okay, look at this. This example is already in the chart which I have provided you. Okay, all right.
not be.
Yeah, had
Ma'am,
not.
can we change never into not?
Oh no, because if it is no need to, because it's already written. All right. She said that she had never been there before, so it is already written. Acha, now let's come to the sentence number 6, which is already an example of a negative sentence. Okay, I didn't go to the party. She said that
she had not
she had not. Acha, go.
not
What will be the past participle form of the verb go?
Gone.
Gone. She had not gone to the party. Acha, very quick, and I really appreciate you. You picked it very correctly from the chart that do and does, don't and doesn't changes into didn't, and didn't changes into had not plus verb third form. Let us just check. Oh, what's wrong? So, all right, I haven't written the contraction. Okay, so let us write in the short form. Hadn't. It was correct. Hadn't. Okay, so she said that she hadn't gone to the party. Okay, this is the example of future tense. Like the you will see that all simple sentences in this exercise. All right, Lucy will come later. Okay, she said that. Acha, what do you think that Lucy is the subject that we will need to change? Do we need to
No,
change
ma'am.
this? No, we don't need to change this. Exactly. Okay. So, what do we need to write here?
Lucy would.
Okay. Lucy. All right. Will changes into?
Would.
Would.
Will. Okay. Would. All right. Acha, do you think that after would we need to change the form of the verb? No, because after
No.
will we need first form of the verb, and after would we also need the first form of the verb. Come later. Okay, let's check. This is correct. Nice. All right. Now this is the example of present perfect tense. He hasn't eaten breakfast. All right. He hasn't eaten breakfast. So she said that he will. Acha, do we need to change the subject here?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No, thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much that you understand. No, we don't need to change because he is he. You know, she's acha, okay. A girl can talk about a boy, right? A girl can talk about a brother and sister. It's like, it's not always how we need to change this. She said, he hasn't eaten breakfast. So she's referring to someone, all right? She's referring to someone. She's not talking about herself. She's referring to someone. So this pronoun we don't need to change. The third persons in the sentences he, she, they, it, and names. We don't need to change them if they are in the reported speech. All right. I have told you it many times. Okay. So he now hasn't. It means that has not, or in the chart if you see has and have will change into
Had.
had. All right. So because it is a negative sentence, it's very simple to make it negative with had, hadn't. All right. He hasn't will change into hadn't. He hadn't eaten. Acha, by the way, the good thing about perfect tenses is we don't need to change the form of the verb because after has, have, and had, we always have the past participle form. Okay. Hadn't eaten. Okay. Breakfast. Check. Oh, this is correct. Good. You are doing great job, everyone. All right. I can help you tomorrow. Now, let's talk about the model word. She said that?
Yes. She said that I could.
She said that.
She could.
It
Now,
would be.
exactly, she. All right, this I.
She could.
Yeah, this I will be replaced with this subject she because she's referring herself now. She's referring herself now that I can help you tomorrow. All right. So she said that
She could help me tomorrow.
he could help. All right. He could help me. Exactly. She said to me. So you will be replaced with the object of reporting a speech. That is me. All right. Acha, it is. We changed the time expressions. That how we change, I'll tell you tomorrow. But right now, on this exercise, in the beginning, it is clearly written that you don't have to change the time expression. So that is why we are not changing. If we change, the sentence will become wrong, right? So it is an exception they have given to us that we only need to focus on the word changes. Okay, the tense changes. We don't have to pay right now attention on the changes of the time expressions. It is written in the instructions. Okay, so that is why if we change, it will be considered incorrect. So we are just following what are the rules of the sentence. Okay. Correct. Okay. Now, do we change should, by the way? Do we change should?
Go to bed early.
Okay. All right. Okay. Sometimes what happens that when we are talking about this suggestion or something, we change shall into should. Okay. But most of the time, should doesn't change. You know, if in the direct speech there is should written, we will not change into when we are doing it in indirect speech. There is another way that we can make it imperative. You should go to bed early. She advised me to go to bed early is possible. Okay. But right now we will not change this. He said that you should.
You should. Yes, ma'am.
So you should
No,
means
ma'am, I
what
should.
will be the I should exactly. I should.
Should have gone
I should go.
bad.
Okay. Acha, have gone. Someone is saying have gone. Please keep that in your mind that we don't change the modal verbs into entirely the past. Have third form में हम बिल्कुल change नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है? Like in the list I showed you that can changes into could, may changes into might. Right? You know, will changes into would, shall changes into would, must changes into had to, but should will not change. Or if we want to change should, then it can be she advised me. She advised me. Nothing else. All right. What's wrong? Wait a minute. Did I write the complete sentence? Okay, no, I did not write. Go to bed early. Okay, now check. This is correct. I don't like chocolates. She said that. Now this I will be changed into
She.
she. Acha, don't like will change into
Did not.
Didn't love.
did not. Didn't like. Very good. All right, little practice is required. I'll send you a PDF file with some more example sentences, and if you do some practice, you'll be surely perfect. We are doing it sentence by sentence today, but hopefully I'll bring more exercises with the paragraphs. All right. Now, I won't see you tomorrow. Acha, this want is the contraction of
Will not.
will not. Excellent.
Wouldn't.
Excellent. Wouldn't. All right. So she said that I will change again.
She
into
would not.
She
I don't know, she would not see me tomorrow.
she wouldn't see me.
Tomorrow. Exactly.
All right.
Yes.
This is correct. Very good. She's living in Paris for a few months. All right. She said that she will not change. She will remain the same.
She was living.
She was living.
Yeah. So is MR will be changed into was and were. All right. She was living. She was living in Paris
Paris
for
for
a few
month. Few.
months. Okay, let's check. Correct. I visited my parents at the weekend. She said that I changed it
She
into
had to visit.
she. All right. Acha, then
She has been.
she has or
She
had.
had visited.
She
had
had
visited.
visited. He had visited
Her parents.
parents. Exactly. We need to change all kinds of the pronouns, not only the subjective, but we have to change all kinds of the pronouns that appear and that are present in the sentence. Okay. Her parents. Her parents at the weekend. Okay, and check. Oh, correct. He hasn't eaten sushi before. All right. Okay, how many sentences? There are 20. Okay, we're not going to do all because we have only 6 minutes. I'll show you a small, a movie clip. All right, and then I want to give you another important point that is related to reported speech with the help of that video. So let's do it, the last one, because I think that the other ones are not very, different. They are almost the same as we have done. She hasn't eaten sushi before. So she said
He said
that she
that
is
he
she, so we
had
don't
not,
need to change.
he had not,
She
had
hadn't
sushi before.
Yes.
eaten.
sushi before.
Sushi before.
Check. This is correct. All right. So you see
Yeah.
that. All right. You see that with the help of this exercise, what I wanted that we could understand sentence by sentence the changes that occur in while changing direct speech into indirect speech. Okay. These are the changes. All right. Now let me stop the screen share and all right. Now I'm playing this for you and I would like you to just focus on the sentence.
John Watson.
Sir, this gentleman says he needs to speak
Yes,
to you.
I know. Sherlock Holmes. John Watson.
Sir, this gentleman says he needs.
Okay. Now, did you hear that? Can you see on my screen? There's, the subtitles. All right. This gentleman says he needs to speak to you. Yes, I know, Sherlock Holmes. All right. Remember that if we have the reporting speech verb, like reporting verb, which is says in simple present tense or in the present tense, the tense of the reported speech will not be changed. You know, is it clear? Am I understood? I hope you understand, everybody. If the
Yes,
tense,
ma'am.
yeah, if the tense of reporting speech, like this gentleman says, she says, they say, all right. So whenever you have the reporting speech, the reporting speech, whenever I say reporting, it means the sentence outside the inverted commas, like the speech quotation mark. So we always have the sentences like, we always talk like he says, she says, my mom says, the teacher says, all right. So whenever the sentence is in simple present or future, all right. So the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Like, look at this example. So this gentleman says he needs, all right. So the simple tense, simple present will remain the simple present. We don't have to change this, like he needed to speak to you. It could be like this gentleman said. If it were in past, it could be this gentleman said, SAID said that he needed to speak to you, right? If we add said here, if it was the past simple tense, said to, then the tense of the reported speech would have been changed, but it is not. Like it isn't actually. It is simple present tense or simple future tense. So the tense will not be changed. Okay. And only 1 minute remaining. The meeting is ending. So, all right.
You said you dreamt that we'd grow together.
But we don't remember.
We'd grow together.
But we...
All right. Now look at this sentence. You said you dreamt that we would grow all together. All right. So look at this. If we have the past simple tense, we have the reporting speech in past. Then you said you dreamt. This is the past form of the verb. We would grow, like it is like we will. All right. So will changes into would. So this is the contraction in the short form of would. We would grow all together. So the first example was with the simple present or future